Hello, Hacienda La Puente. This is Ricardo, one of your tech tosas, and today we are going to look at the mobile app for Google Classroom. As you can see, I'm mirroring my phone right now. This is a app that is called Mirroring 360, and if you would like to know more about it, please reach out to any of your tech tosas. But I wanted to show you today some of the amazing things that you can do with Google Classroom. Okay, so once you download the app, the first thing will be to go to your app store, obviously, right? You will look for Google Classroom, and it might look a little bit different if you're using an iOS device, but once I have it, I'm going to install it. I already have it installed, so I'm going to open it, and you will see that all of my classes are in here, and I can do everything, basically everything and more that I can do on the desktop version. One of the great things about the mobile apps is that the notifications actually work. Okay, it is frustrating for us when we don't get notifications on the desktop version, but you will notice that on the mobile version you do get notifications about anything that goes on any of your classes. Okay, so really quick, a couple of things that I wanted to show you. The first one is that if I go into a class, okay, I'm just going to show you, it's going to look exactly the same way as it looks in the desktop version. I have my stream, I have my classwork, I have people. Okay, so everything is basically the same. But I have a couple of other tools that you might not have unless you add an extension. If you look up here on the top right, I have something that is called Welcome to Student Selector, and I can start. And it's basically a randomizer. Okay, so I just kind of picked it and it picked one of my students. Okay, if they're not ready, I can choose to call later on them. Okay, I get another one. If they're absent, I can get rid of them so I don't call. So basically it goes through my whole roster, and I can randomly pick on my students from this app. Okay, that's something that you will need an extension to be able to do on the desktop version of it. So that's a great tool to have. Another tool you have, and it's pretty amazing, is the ability to actually grade inside of the app, and I will show you what makes it amazing. Okay, I can actually go into something that one of my students has typed or turned in using PDF, Google, it doesn't matter what it is, but I can actually, if you notice, I can actually go in here and I can tap on my little pen on top, and I have the ability to actually write comments. Good job, right? It doesn't matter what I want to write, but I can type it. I can go ahead and highlight things if I wanted to. Okay, I can erase, I can type if I want to, and when I'm ready and I'm done with it, I can actually go ahead and go back. Okay, and I can save the changes. Sorry, I should have saved it. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, and now I have given my student feedback, but what the app did is that it actually created a PDF file with my comments on it. Okay, so it kept the original file from the student, and it also created a PDF file with my comments about that assignment. So that's a great tool to have. If you have any questions about the many applications or many uses of the Google Classroom mobile app, please contact any of your tech tosas. Thank you.